Searching for a 2001 Holden Commodore. This vehicle has all the features you could dream of that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, a CD player, power mirrors, power windows. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Call today to schedule a test drive.